Bob. We continue our coverage of the March 1st Super Tuesday primary elections with a look tonight at the Russell County ballot.
2 Russell County men are running for the seat of Place 1 District Court Judge. News 3's Mercer Van Shore introduces us to both candidates in this race for your vote in campaign 2016.
Phil and Teresa, Buster Landrieu and Zach Collins are both vying for this district court judge seat. While Landrieu is currently in this position, this will be the first time for both of them to be in an election.
Buster Landrieu is the current Place 1 district judge. He was appointed to the position in 2013. This Russell County native has been practicing law in the county for 35 years, 19 years in private practice, 15 as chief deputy district attorney. Landrieu was also the chief of the Ladonia Volunteer Fire Department. In his more than 2 years in office, he says he's helped to create a juvenile diversion program, entered into a partnership with Big Brothers Big Sisters, utilized electronic monitoring of inmates, and started an intensive probation for minors.
When I took over, we had around 840 juvenile cases. We have cut that in half.
Landrieu says it's his experience and community roots that sets him apart as the best candidate.
When you determine what's to be done with a child, you have to know what's out there. And you cannot do that if you've never been a member of this community.
Landrieu is running against Zach Collins, who was born and raised in Columbus. He's an Air Force vet and a practicing attorney for 13 years. Collins was a walk-on the Auburn football team. He made the team at 25 years old. He graduated from Columbus State and went on to law school in Montgomery. He moved back to the Bi-City area to take care of his mother. Collins says he saw a need in the family courts and decided to run for the seat.
I certainly feel like I can inspire young folks to do the right thing, stay in school and stay away from trouble.
Collins says he's the best candidate because he has 13 years of juvenile and family court experience as an attorney and is committed to being fair.
I believe that being a judge is not just about disposing of cases, it's about having the right disposition.
And Phil and Teresa, I do want to mention that Landrieu has the backing of the Fraternal Order of Police and Collins has the endorsement of the Alabama Democratic Conference. And of course, the primary is Tuesday, March 1st. We'll be all over it.
All right, now you've done this story before, so this is just a reminder. If you want to vote for these local elections in Russell County, you have to pick the Democratic ballot, correct?
That's right. All the local races are on the Democratic ticket. So if you're Republican, you're going to have to decide between you want to vote for your Republican primary presidential candidates or do you want to have a say in your local races. So it's a big deal right now.
All right, thanks a lot, Mercer.
Columbus's chief